In this video, let's learn how do we divide the number 824 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 8. We know that 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Subtract, we get a 0. Now 0 is less than 4. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 2 here. Look that this is the number 2. So we will remove this 0. Now in this case, although 2 is less than 4, but as we have brought down this number 2 here, we need to divide it. We know that 4 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 2. Now in this case, we will bring down this adjacent 4 here because 2 is less than 4. And we know that 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 824 divided by 4 is equal to this number 206, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.